we earn all the points and they retire. And what land, nation will be waiting for? And then at the point, will it be the land that has been overrun by the Fulani terrorism? Or will it be the prosperous nation that stands tall at the pride of the African race? To our politicians, leaders, the losses will end soon. And what you are cowardly and wickedly tolerated, you and your generation will also reap. The time to act now, together we rise, together we defend, and together we win. Thank you, everybody. And we also use this opportunity to appeal to the government, because we know that the President Ahmed Bola Tinubu is in charge of everything in this country. We appeal to him to release the file of account of the Chief Sunday Adeyemo, and also lift the wanted on his name. We know he can do it. He's our father. He can do it. And we also use this privilege to thank the Commissioner of Police being addressed us today, and the way all the forces people attend to us. We proud of them. We say big thanks to the Commissioner of Police. And also, we let all the nations realize that we are not fighting anybody. We stand here for the peace, and we command our voice to the Nigerian and all the Nigerians, both home and diaspora, to know that we are the man of peace, integrity, honor, and potential, and we defend our name until we achieve all our goals. We thank you all. God bless you all. And we thank you as much as possible that Nigeria and all the Yorubas, we remain one forever. And we call all our leaders in Yoruba land to make sure that our land is safe, and we are not going to surrender our land to become minority on our land. Thank you, everybody, and God bless you.